Okay guys, hey, what's up? It's Tryhard Gaming here. I haven't made a video in a while, but I have 83 grand. What the hell just sold? It was definitely my Chris Kreider Stanley Cup edition, so that means we can buy another one. I'm gonna have three Stanley Cup edition packs open for you guys. So we'll just buy this, open later, buy jumbo. Okay, we have 4 packs here. So, let's get started. I sold my whole team for this. So we have 3 player premium packs and 1 jumbo. So we have to pull something here. That's Tyler Bozak. This is probably a quick sell pack, isn't it? Don't be surprised. Okay, we'll keep that. Can't believe they moved on. Stanley Cup edition. Or something. Dude, I just pulled Renee Bork. Oh my god. What did I say, guys? We're gonna pull something. What the F? Ryan McDonough and Joe Thornton. Dude, that was a good pack. That's what I'm talking about, guys. What the F? Sick. Okay, guys, so see, I'm trying to build a good team. Dude, a team of the year. Backus. Oh my god. John Carlson. Yes. Yes. Yes, guys. This is awesome. The last one. We might open another jumbo. Probably not. Oh, okay. This is not looking good. Nothing. Oh my god. A 94 overall Lindstrom. Oh my god, guys. This is the best pack opening I've ever done. Like, what the F? I was not expecting this. We were due. And we got it, man. What the F? Thank you guys for watching.